Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by making your computer ready. Enable screen and audio permissions in System Preferences or Settings so the app can capture. Once done, open the Meeting app and sign in, pick the meeting or create a room. Next, click the Share Screen or Present button. This is the first actionable step. Choose whether to share your entire screen or a single window, and toggle Share System Audio if you plan to play videos or sound for viewers. Now you control what viewers see. Select Entire Screen for demonstrations, a single application window to protect privacy, or a browser tab when sharing video. Make sure to pick the monitor if you have multiple displays. Once selected, choose Quality Settings, optimize for video when streaming motion to avoid choppiness. Also, confirm the audio source so your voice and system sound are routed correctly. If available, enable hardware acceleration or high frame rate for smoother playback. To finish, click Stop Presenting or End Share and verify that any recording saved to the chosen location. Make sure you closed sensitive applications and silence notifications beforehand to protect privacy. If viewers report freeze, black screen, or no audio, try this troubleshooting tip. Stop sharing, restart the app, and re-grant screen and audio permissions. If that fails, switch from entire screen to an app window, or use a different browser or native client to resolve capture conflict.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.